All right, we are getting ready to go over the Sanibel Causeway, and it's March. It's the beginning of March. So at the end of March will be, gosh, 6 months since Hurricane Ian. And so this is the first time that we will be getting to go on Sanibel since the hurricane. So we're super excited just because, you know, we love Sanibel, love Florida, love our beaches and our waters. And so yeah, we're just excited to get to go to Sanibel for the first time in almost 6 months since Hurricane Ian. So here we go.
This is what was all washed out.
Right, yeah, this is what was washed out right here.
Like this was gone.
Yep.
You hear me, babies? The road and everything here was gone, wiped out from the hurricane. You couldn't drive over here at all. All beaches and bathrooms and palm trees and
right.
Everything's all
I
gone.
remember the many times we're here playing in the water, looking for shells. But it's been non-stop work since September when the hurricane happened. Non-stop, workers out here. So thankful for that. Yes.
Non-stop
Yes,
except for lunch.
they will stop to eat lunch. Okay, we're almost there. Almost to Sanibel. And we're on the island. We're on Sanibel, girls.
Search for shells, sometimes it just doesn't work. And
Yeah.
so we leave.
It actually happens a lot.